Walls of Kakistopia is a collaboration between Kim Berman and myself. Kim is a South African artist and extraordinary printmaker. We've done several collaborations together. This is one of them. This is the most recent. Kakistopia is the word for the state run by the least qualified. As a South African and as an American, we both have that condition in our governments. We decided to focus on the walls of the United States and South Africa. The images on the outer cover are the fences of Robben Island, where Mandela was imprisoned for all those years. Each of the books, and it's an edition of, I think it's 8, is completely different because all the printing is done by monoprint and dry point, and a lot of hand coloring. It has 3 pamphlet structures within the book. The outer case has texts. The first sets of texts are about the graft and corruption in South Africa. When you enter pages of holes, the question is it a fence or is it a wall? And then you see a wall. This is actually the wall that divides Israel and the West Bank. Definitions of what is a wall are printed here. Interestingly, we found that one of the definitions of a wall is an extreme, can't read upside down, an extreme or desperate position or state of defeat, failure, or ruin. That's one thing, one definition of wall. It's a separation barrier. As you can see, there's a lot of different detail in this book. I think we'll look at this one here first. On this side here, we decided to focus again on the corruption in South Africa. Imagery of wiring and fragility. There are little papers that are holding the larger sheet together, and this is a text about the financial corruption and graft of South Africa. And then in the centerfold, we focus on our situation here in the United States, quotes from our dear president that shall not be named, and his perspectives on the wall, shall not be read. Again, holes full of barbed wire, fences covered in barbed wire. And the center text is, but the real cost is the us-them divide, which corrodes our faces and makes a mockery of humanity. I can't read. And manifests itself most clearly in that wall. The book, when it can be fully open, looks more like a spider when it's standing up. It's the walls of Kakistopia.